Welcome to SRDC online classes. Today we are discussing about BSc second year third sem topic VBT applications. VBT applications. Okay, now we are discussing about the complex hexafluoroferrate 3 ion. Hexafluoroferrate 3 ion. Okay, in this complex central atom is iron Fe. Central atom is iron Fe. What is the atomic number of Fe is 26. Electron configuration of this central metal atom is argon 3d6 4s is 4p0. Okay, but first we have to calculate the oxidation state of the Fe. Okay, x plus 6 into minus 1 means here Fe, F means weak ligand and oxidation state of F is a minus 1 is equal to minus 3, x minus 6 is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 plus 6 plus 3. Fe is in a plus 3 oxidation state in this complex. In this complex Fe is in a plus 3 oxidation state. Oxidation state means loss of electrons. Oxidation state means loss of the electrons. Okay. In this complex F minus is a ligand. And which type of ligand? It is a weak ligand. ఇది బలమైనటువంటి ligand. It is a weak ligand. So now we have to write the Fe plus 3 configuration. In this complex, Fe plus 3 configuration means Fe configuration is argon 3d6 4s2 4p0. Fe plus 3 means it can lose the 3 electrons from 4s and 3d means 3 means 2 electrons from s orbital, 1 electron from 3d. So now we have to get the configuration. And argon 3d 5 4s0 4p0 and 4d0 also. And here this is a weak ligand. In last theory we are already discussed about in the presence of weak ligand electrons are does not paired up opposite to the Hund's rule. So electrons are same as it is in this 3d orbital. Same. Okay, means how many electrons are there? 5 electrons, and moreover these are the single electrons. Okay, now how many ligands are there? 6 ligands. Okay, central metal atom can contribute the 6 empty orbitals, means 1s and 3p orbitals and 2 d orbitals. Empty orbitals of the Fe is s, p3, d2. And how many ligands are there? 6. And last theory we are also discussing about the central metal atom contributes the empty orbitals which is equal to the coordination number. The coordination number of this complex is 6. Coordination number of this complex is 6. So equal to the empty orbitals of the central metal atom. Okay. Now configuration hybridization is sp3d2 and sp3d2 configuration, and in this complex outer d orbitals are involving in the hybridization. Outer d orbitals are involved. So this complex is outer d orbital complex and spin free complex also. Why? In this complex single electrons are there. Okay, spin free complex. If electrons are paired, that is a spin paired complex, but in this case electrons are free, means does not pair electron, spin free complex. And this is the magnetic momentum, mu is equal to formula under root of n into n plus 2. How many single electrons are there? single electrons are 5. So if substitute in this formula 5 plus 2 and is equal to 5 into 7, that is equal to 35 root 35 Bm, Bohr magnetons value. Bohr magnetons. This complex what is the hybridization in this complex? sp3d2, and this is a outer d orbital complex, and in this complex single electrons are there. So this is a paramagnetic complex. Paramagnetic complex. Paramagnetic complex. Okay. This is a hexafluoroferrate 3 ion. Next complex. And this is a octahedral complex. This is a octahedral complex. And now we are discussing about tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes. So best example is nickel tetracarbonyl. Nickel tetracarbonyl. In this complex, central metal atom is nickel. Coordination number of this complex is 4 and nickel atomic number is 28. Argon 3d8 4s2 4p0. Argon 3d8 4s2 4p0. And in this complex, carbonyl is a neutral ligand. Carbonyl is a neutral ligand. So nickel is in this complex in a zero oxidation state, means no electrons are lost and no electrons are gained. Okay. Opposite to the Hund's rule, electrons are paired up in this complex. Okay. Nickel 28 configuration is 3d8 4s2 4p0. In this nickel, 4s electrons are opposite to the Hund's rule in 3d orbitals. These 4 electrons are migrated towards the 3d orbital. Means 8 already, d orbital is having 8 already electrons, and these 2 electrons, how many electrons? Completely 10 electrons. 10 electrons. Okay. What is the coordination of number of this complex? 4. Okay. Nickel contributes 4 empty orbitals. 4 empty orbitals. What are they? 1s orbital and 3p orbitals. Means this hybridization is sp3 hybridization. And these empty orbitals are filled by this ligand. What is that ligand? Carbonyl. This carbonyl can donate the electron towards the empty orbitals of the nickel. Okay. sp3 hybridization, and geometry is tetrahedral. And any single electrons is there? No. In this complex, all paired electrons. And outer orbital complex, outer d orbital complex, and n is equal to 0. That means diamagnetic complex. Why? In this complex there is no single electrons. That's why in this complex 0 electrons are there, 0 single electrons there. That's why this is a diamagnetic complex. Hybridization is sp3. What is the shape of this complex? Tetrahedral. Coordination number is 4 and n is equal to 0. Diamagnetic complex. Okay. These are the 2 examples of VBT theory.